What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to check if your PayPal account is verified or not. First, as you can see, I have PayPal here opened on the browser on my computer and signed into my account, so you have to do so before. Next, go to this link. I'll leave it to you in the video description below. If I copy the link and then paste it in a new tab, as you can see here, it opened my home page or my summary page on my PayPal. That means I am not verified. If you are verified, this link should open a page where it says that you are verified. So that's how you know if your PayPal is verified or not.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.